Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Trail. And today I have came with new, modern and unique, beautiful mehndi designs. These all designs are very easy and easy to apply on your hands. This design is very beautiful. Oh wow, this design is so much beautiful. I like this design. If you like some design, then tell me in comment section please. If you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon button for the rest upcoming videos. Like, share and comment on my video. Next we will meet soon in my next coming video. Okay friends, take care all of you. We will meet soon. Thank you so much for watching my video.